discover how chiropractic adjustments relieve chronic back pain naturally and effectively. Here is everything you need. Over 80% of adults suffer from spinal misalignments that compress nerves and trigger relentless back pain. Most people get this completely wrong, and it. Misaligned vertebrae restrict joint mobility, inflame tissues, and create painful cycles that pills can't fix. The problem is real, and it costs you every single day. Chiropractic adjustments restore alignment, decompress nerves, and release tension, directly targeting pain origins. Stop and think about this for a moment. Patients experience measurable improvement in mobility, inflammation reduction, and nerve function after consistent care. The numbers do not lie, and the data here is compelling. Study. Drug-free relief that improves posture, eases muscle tightness, and supports long-term spinal wellness. Chiropractic adjustments delivers results that actually make a meaningful. See how precise adjustments restore vertebral positioning, easing pressure on nerves and improving daily movement. See it in action right here. Chiropractic adjustments from the chiropractor. Choose lasting relief. Temporary fixes mask pain, while chiropractic care fixes alignment for true recovery. See exactly how chiropractic adjustments compares to the alternatives side by side. The chiropractic adjustments at the chiropractor provide drug-free relief by realigning the spine and reducing nerve compression. Over 80% of adults experience spinal misalignments that contribute to chronic back pain and nerve compression. I suffered from chronic back pain for over a decade before finding the chiropractor. The chiropractor combines spinal adjustments with soft tissue therapy and corrective exercises for comprehensive care. Worried adjustments might hurt. Most patients find chiropractic care relieving, not painful, like a good stretch for stiff joints. Regular chiropractic care at the chiropractor supports long-term spinal health by improving posture and preventing pain recurrence. See the difference? Misaligned vertebrae create nerve pressure and pain, while precise adjustments restore proper spacing and function. Ready to address your chronic back pain at the source? Visit the chiropractor for a personalized consultation and evidence-based care plan. Patients at the chiropractor experience measurable relief from chronic back pain within just a few sessions. After years of suffering, I found real relief through chiropractic care at the chiropractor. The chiropractor has earned the trust of thousands of satisfied customers across the country. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, the chiropractor has everything you need, from expert advice to top-quality products that deliver real results every time.